Roasting and cooking systems can enhance the freshness and flavor of almost any baked good. Roasting seeds and the subsequent production of cooking pieces fully preserves the roasted aromas and binds volatile essential oils. Due to the high water binding capacity, baked goods retain their freshness significantly longer after adding cooking pieces. The preheating time is approximately 40 minutes and is stored in the control system's auto start program. The operator can therefore start the roasting process or the cooking piece production immediately at the start of the shift. For a roasting quantity of 100 kilograms, the roasting process takes approximately 45 minutes at a temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. For a cooking process based on 100 kilograms of flour cooking piece at a temperature of approximately 70 degrees Celsius, approximately 40 minutes should be planned. We'd like to return to the roasting of seeds followed by the production of grain cooking piece. This production process offers a wide range of possibilities. Below you can see the production of a malt cooking piece with a portion of leftover bread. In the first phase of the recipe, leftover bread is added. In the example shown, dried leftover bread slices. In the first step of the recipe, these are cooked with the agitator running in intervals on the left and right until a paste has formed with the help of the remaining moisture. In the second phase of the recipe, the paste is lightly toasted. Both the cooking time and the toasting time depend on the amount of residual bread and must be determined during the first recipe run and then added to the base recipe. In the third recipe phase, grist and active baking malt are added manually. Depending on the integrated option, water dosing is achieved using load cells or a water flow meter. A quick note here, all recipe steps, such as the time-controlled left and right rotation of the agitator, roasting and cooking times, as well as manual product additions, are anchored in the previously created base recipe. Manual additions must be acknowledged. The preparation time of the malt cooking piece with leftover bread portion is 3.5 to 4 hours. The result? A highly aromatic product that can enhance a wide variety of baked goods. These compact systems are available in the following sizes: 120 kilograms, 200 kilograms, 350 kilograms, and 500 kilograms usable volume. For consistent and time-efficient roasting, a maximum addition of 200 kilograms is recommended, regardless of the system size and the type of roasted product. The basic version is manufactured with a 3-degree inclined tank. Our spiral agitator not only enables homogeneous mixing of your products during production but also ensures efficient product emptying. The agitator's scrapers are equipped with a quick change system for fast maintenance. In addition to the load cells mentioned at the beginning of this presentation, the basic versions can be expanded with additional options, such as an emptying system or automated cleaning with cleaning lances including rotating spray heads. Production-relevant options include the lifting function and pressure cooking, which can be seen in the following article. With the raising and lowering option, the tank unit can be raised up to 12 degrees. This ensures optimal and efficient product emptying not only for seeds after roasting, but also for cooking pieces. The pressure cooking function, similar to the pressure cooker principle, offers several advantages. For example, cooking time is approximately 40% shorter. This shortened cooking time means either a significant energy saving or an increase in capacity for you. We're not just at home in the bakery industry. Our agitator tanks can, of course, also be used in other food processing areas. The food processing industry encompasses numerous sectors, including meat and dairy processing, bakery and confectionery, ready meals, fruit and vegetable processing, and beverage production. Back to the current topic, automated roasting and cooking. In the example shown, paired with 2 tanks for Poolish production. A roasting and cooking system with a usable volume of 350 kilograms, followed by a cooling tank to process the cooked product as quickly as possible after production. Do you need more information? 3D presentations have become an important tool in recent years. Simply schedule a consultation via Zoom or Teams.